Let's take a look at this IKEA wooden box set. That's the name of it, and you can see the designer's name below. Those are the dimensions, made in China. This costs around 629 rupees or $9 or so. This has the contact info. Looks like these are made out of bamboo. It has a really nice finish. With each box you get 2 places to store. You can store some stuff in the lid and some in the box. And when you are not using it, I think everything is stuck together, so you don't see any nails or screws. You can easily store them away. Nice set of boxes. Quite nice. Check it out.